Hi guys, it's Thomas here from COTBase.com. Welcome to this week's Commitments of Traders review. Today we're going to have a look at the 38th COT report in 2015, and as usual we're going to start off with the changes in commercials position. So here we go. As you can see, we have the Mexican peso on top of a list with a 41% change in commercials positions. You can see the change size over here being maybe the largest change. I believe it is the largest change in the past 52 weeks time range. So it's definitely a considerable COT change signal. It is, of course, bearish. We are expecting prices to move a bit downwards in the near future. 5 years chart will give us a picture about the COT Extreme situation in the Mexican peso. As you can see, we're moving away from bullish COT Extreme levels. You can also see that price was unable to react to that large COT Extreme signal. So we may gonna see higher or larger extremes coming if of course this decline continues, or this COT signal, COT extreme signal may have came a little bit early, and eventually we would see prices going higher. It's not that easy to tell, but nevertheless, keep in mind that we are actually much closer to bullish COT extreme levels right now than of course we were a few months ago. Next market, sugar, 27% change over there in commercials position. Here we go. You can see the change size over here, larger than average, but not that too unusual. And of course, as you can see, we already have reaction from price, so this signal may have came a little bit late. The 5 years chart, here we go. You may see we're moving away from bullish COT extreme levels. We see a bit of a rise in prices. Big question whether this week, the upcoming week, prices will continue this rally. If so, then there's a big chance that the extreme, the COT report will change, and we would see commercials going deep down to net short territories, and of course large speculators going towards net long territories again. Silver is our next market, 19% change in commercials positions over there. You can see the change size, larger than average, bearish. We're expecting prices to go down a bit on that. But the 5 years chart, here we go, can show you how extreme this market is. Well, actually, we are closer to bullish extreme levels. We're moving away from those levels right now without any significant reaction from price in the past couple of weeks. But it's quite easy to see if you look at the 5 years chart, both commercials and large speculators. We're getting closer towards the zero line territory, and as you may see, they can be in very great bearish or of course bullish net positions as well. Moving on to large speculators COT Extreme, here we go. You may see we've got live cattle on top of a list with a huge 799 report extreme. Over there in large speculators, also significant extreme in commercials, 311 report extreme. So it's an unquestionable bullish extreme signal. Of course, this was present in the market now for a few weeks. As I was telling you, this signal, of course, may be present in the market for many weeks before we see a reaction from price. So it wouldn't be surprising if price has gone even deeper. It's just a warning signal that if you do see any chances to get in a good risk reward trade, that may be something you should evaluate. Feeder cattle, another cattle market, 113 report extreme over there. Similarly to live cattle, of course, this is a bullish COT extreme signal. A huge drop in prices last week. I've never seen anything like that before. That's unusual. Interesting picture. Nevertheless, the extreme is there. Maybe not as large as in live cattle, but of course these markets do correlate with each other. So the fact that we've got a large extreme, bullish extreme in live cattle can easily put pressure, upwards pressure on feeder cattle as well. And last but not least, we've got the coffee market with 96 report extreme, both in commercial and of course in large speculators as well. And it's visible, of course, it is a bullish COT extreme signal. And last week we have seen significant rise in prices, so maybe we have reached a bottom over there. Of course, it's hard to tell, but nevertheless, I think it's another market worth analyzing in the next few weeks. I hope you enjoyed this review. If you'd like to have a look at other COT charts, of course, COT charts page is over there, and COT analysis will give you a more in-depth and detailed COT analysis. If you wish, you may check that as well. Hope to see you next week. Have a great weekend. Take care. Goodbye.